In this video, we discuss how to create bar graph and pie charts for qualitative type of data. I would first go to graphs and then select legacy dialogues. For bar graph, I would select bar, and we are creating a simple bar graph, so I would select simple. Select summaries for groups of cases. I select define. So you could set your bars to represent the number of cases or the frequency, the cumulative frequency, the percentage, the cumulative percentage, or other statistic of interest. So I would just select N for the number of cases or the frequency. Now I'm only interested to create a bar graph for the variable gender, and my category axis would be gender, so I could simply pull gender down to category axis, or select this arrow over here and click OK. So this would be your output. Okay, so the total number of male and female subjects in this study was 14. However, this is not apparent in the bar graph. Okay, so we could actually change the way the bar graph is scaled by simply double click on the bar graph, and over here you could again double click on the frequency value and select scale. So the minimum value is set to be 0, maximum value is set to be 14. However, we could change the major increment to 2 and click apply. Okay, ensure that the minimum value is set as 0. Okay, click apply, and now you have a better bar graph. And again, usually on your y-axis, you would define the axis title as frequency, and you could change that. Okay, double click on the graph and double click on count. Double click on count and start typing as frequency and enter. And you have already made changes to the y-axis. You could even add a title to your graph. Go to options, title, and insert the title of your graph. Frequency of male and female participants, and press enter. You could even make changes to the color of your bars. Just double click and select a new color, click apply, and now you might want to copy and paste your output in Microsoft Word. You may do so by simply right click and select copy as image, or Microsoft Office graphic object, and then paste it in Microsoft Words. Okay, now let's create a pie chart for our variable gender. I go to graphs, again select legacy dialogues and select pie. Summaries for groups of cases, define, would define slices by gender, And usually for our pie chart, each slice is represented by the percentage of cases. So I'm selecting percentage of cases over here and select OK. Okay, so you could double click your pie chart to make some changes. You could insert the percentage of each slice by right click on the pie chart and select show data labels and display the percentage. You could definitely make changes to the size of the text by going to the preferred size. I would encourage you to explore this further, make changes to the color of the pie chart, insert a graph title, and so on.